Alright, this is the Hoover Nano Lite Cyclonic versus my friend's trusty old Bissell Power Force bagless.
It's on the floor and everything.
Yeah. So this is the suction real quick. Too fast as my carpet is spotless.
Okay, what are your carpet?
My carpet, technically.
My row. Find a place even.
Okay.
Trusty old Power Force, 13 years old. Mine's only a couple days old. And all the way over here, he's
telling. A couple days ago. She's been at your house for a couple days.
No, it's a couple days old, bro. It was a brand new model.
Plug it in down here.
I don't think the headlight works. It's about 13 years old. No maintenance has been needed to be done to it. And he's taking a little while.
Well, my bad. The outlet over there kind of sucks.
We're going to get this started. And the HEPA filter's out, so it should be... Okay, oh wait, suction test. Forgot about the suction test. Turn it on.
Okay, go.
Turn it on. Alright, let's get it started. Well, me and Ethan ended up both being wrong. It was a tie.
I told you this thing is pretty awesome.